A fourth question, Hans. In chapter 2 of this prophet, the topic was on trust, and there was a little poll in it in which students could say if they would lie in a negotiation or an organization.
Whether it was allowed or not.
Whether it was allowed.
Yeah.
Yes. Did you look at the results?
Yeah, 50% said no, it's not allowed. And I do understand this 50%. Because your intuitive reaction, of course, is when I ask you, are you allowed to lie, is no, you shouldn't lie. In the long run, people will learn that you have lied, so it will be counterproductive, it's morally wrong, etc. So first, of course, we are not allowed to lie. However, information is a strategic asset in a negotiation. So we will all also understand that I should not give you, as my opponent, all the information I have. I should perhaps frame my information, over or underemphasize something. Give you information, but not all the information I have. Or give you information, but not today, but tomorrow, because it's from my strategic perspective, that is effective. So I think we all understand we shouldn't lie. We also understand, you should frame the information a bit, because it's a strategic asset, it's part of the game. And now the question is, what are the moral limits here? And the answer is, okay, you are allowed to frame your information, or put differently, you are allowed to lie, but there are rules of the game. And you have to stick to these rules of the game. And that, I think, is the storyline. If you say, I will never lie, I will not ask you to negotiate on behalf of me. If you say, I'm always lying, I'm allowed to lie, I will not ask you to negotiate on behalf of me, because you will not be trusted. But you're allowed to frame the information you have, but you should stick to the rules of the game.